are getting exciting. About time to go practice. We're at Beloit, Kansas, and we got the brand new EA Stealth under the hood. This is the first time out on the second motor Tim has done. Can't thank Tim and Dave E-Step enough for just working their butts off. It's been a thrash because we just haven't had all the parts, but we now have two EA Stealth Ford motors. About to go practice and see how this thing goes. I thought it felt better than the other one, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, the motor felt great. It was just greasy out there, and it was hard to kind of read what the track was doing because it was still greasy. So, about time to go qualify. We drew early, so got the cameras up top. I'm gonna get back in the car.
Qualifying at the USAC Midget Races is brought to you by Honest Abe Roofing. Here we go.
Well, we ordered excitement, and we brought last year's feature winner out here to San Jose, California, the RMS Racing and Envirofab EA Stealth-powered Spike. RMS number 7X, this is T-Mez, Thomas Meserol. Thomas Meserol lap number 1, third quick at a 12.525 second lap, 5 wins on the season. Started off in 27 at Lincoln Park, his most recent trip to Victory Lane, July 7th at Gas City. Went to Victory Lane last year here. Third quick still. Lap number 2 is a 12.556. Lap number 1 is a 12.525.
All right, we just got done with qualifying. We ended up 11th quick. Man, it's so close. If I was 500ths faster, I'd be 6th quick. So midget racing's tough, but the EA Stealth is ripping. And this is actually the first one that we have been racing. And they just got the second one done under the hood, and it ran beautifully, so pretty excited about that. We're gonna go in the second heat. I think we start outside second row. It'd be nice to win this, but it's gonna be tough from the second row. Race Reel. So got my buddy Carter out here from Race Reel doing a little bit of extra stuff for TmezTv. It almost looks like it's pogoing off the right front. So we just got done with the heat race, and I need to go find my homie Trevor because my car has a pretty good bounce, and I needed to not be there because we were really fast. The thing feels great. I felt like I could have won that heat, and then we had an oil leak, and so then I started watching the oil gauge because, well, this is Tim's brand new Ford. We can't be leaking oil and having the gauge drop. So we were full on oil, and so we think that's what it was. But hey, do you know where Logan CV's pit is? Right here. Sweet. Found it. So I'm gonna go talk to my shock guy. I'm gonna see what he recommends, because I'm not a shock guy. Trevor's on vacation. That means I'm
Shock help?
I do need shock help. My car is bouncing like a mother.
Did the right rear shock come off? It is bouncing.
Oh my goodness. And I got this same right rear package.
Is it dyno fine?
Huh?
You have a dyno, right?
Yeah.
Did you put it on there to see if something's screwed up?
No, it's perfect. They don't go bad. All right, B-Main is out there doing some spring changes. Gonna change the right rear bar because the thing was just like, it was like almost like it was so rigid and stiff that it was like pogoing because of that. I don't know if that's true, but I don't have any time to not do something. So we're gonna soften the right rear up, stiffen the front end up. Oh yeah, it's nice and hot, sweating. That is skill, okay? That is skill. That's why we love Lacey. Lacey, she thinks outside of the box. We've been thrashing. Oh yeah, it's almost go time. The sun has set on another beautiful day, and we are at the races, living my best life. Thanks to Dave Estep and Matt Estep, Lacey and Joe back at the shop. Couldn't do without you guys.
Believe the hype, as Wits Racing Products has all you need to get RC cars dialed in with Hyperglide ceramic bearings and other high-performance products for the competitive RC racer. From the shop to the track, increased drivetrain, reduce friction, Hyperglide along to just go faster with Wits Racing Products.
move over this way a little bit. Yeah.
Calm down, Chuck. Oh, that was super unfortunate. Got some mud here. Just kind of got ran into the wall by Jay. Good job, Dave. Let's see if I can.
Right. I never have lots of that. Go for it. Do shit. It's fine. I take it in here.
Unless we can straighten that out. Little by little, we just keep plugging away, and the thing is almost back to just being able to roll in the trailer. It has been a thrash. It's not the way we wanted to finish the night, but you know what? That's how it goes sometimes. So, as always, thanks for watching TmezTv. I'm out.